Mepina, yeah, Baba, some of one team or there. Miss Siro, with the information in about time with them out. Hey, catch them on pointing for the Kumasi phone, you know, say, Umusha no mamma, Dr. Bawumia din da, because Sabre you will be a. Say, Oba Dr. Bawumia din, so they can't send Bo, so they can't send Bonnie on, so Bonnie din, I can't send more, you will be a, Obeko Amano. She, Afia Schwar. Yaya of Kwaku Annan any honorable Kennedy accompany point upon. In fact, so was here due matemono. Was so much can save for Dr. Bawumia. Enye easy, hey! Enye easy, Beba, it's very much just why I mean, well, you remember that I've never changed my hair for my chef for Papa Bimo. Bema you. How did be why? Ebusia yesi tiame enim asem kan ose nana wasumu a sade Afia Schwar esi atoama ne yaye of Kwaku Annan ene honorable akompreko Agyapong no enye easy minim se onu omu beef dada krompa ko ni omatem sa ni nyina ene se omu mienu aka nsem bi afa Dr. Bawumia ehun ebusia ensem ben enu nti ena maji magua mechire omu na wate ase aha eye AG gossip feel free se obechire wadwen afa video ho no bia modern se obehye amanu abisa etumi aka message say obe subscribe na wa ba adoma no so se ba ya drop video bi a wonsa ebeka enti na no e na honorable akompreko Agyapong ebe akumase eye mampohene ayi ase na eho e na obeye campaign ai e wa brenso a MPP national secretary e de abetu ja se eni kwan se obia eye campaign about omo primaries a ewo omanimo a ombeko na omo eye new flag bearer ebuja Neno ena ensebia honorable akompreko Agyapong edi to edwa no amanfo se we de wa ma obi edin but akutia wo hoi enemnura ebusua enie
obi a odi MPP edi anim abra na Rollins ewo ha obi entimi nkasa eye Professor Dubuahin ono your friend culture of silence ono no otumi breaki that time obi antumi nkasa obi esro Rollins Dubuahin ene nya akukuduro estane up to Rollins till 1992 that the Dubuahin koi ono kura no okokuma ye no okoy a ni modern mo answer ni no ya mfra nkobiem obi a mpeso aka no kura kire wa oduru wa osio President Kufuor komienu Akufo adu komiansa Dubuahin wokosai mesramu enne eni biaba ye ne afi mamoma ye ntoto ensam a enye no kura egu yafem efem mesramu abokosem ne ntia President Kufuor ya didn't call second term ni say the first time or the only 4 months between 3 to 4 months and what the year campaign now vote to President Kufuor nya within that 4 months no and yes and no e be sa de nako enunti and ye the President Kufuor esa call second term oko wini ye there is a reason 4 months our year campaign the performance enunti ni esa de President Kufuor e call ebiem oh ana Akufo adu comprensa Akufo adu call first one onya 49.3% when timi an cross 50 nunti ana esa call second round enu so e pai e 10 and decide here Emma Professor Mills enya 23,000 votes edi be president into obi a person o ka kira say yensa ma asumasi nkobiemu a on starting kabakosam am obi antie Akufo ado esa court 2012 no wo wini and wo mu wi an e court mamuti decision and was aka say ode minim say ma wini but some see nyamna me respect court no enti yanko ya hwe Akufo ado performance the first time second time enti ni ade ni call the third time enti so you be performance now to be lose over 2 million na ya sabe ka kira say mo fa nipa nenko na mayedi, but emre ni du one nokura de yebeka momate. Nokura no de yebeka momate. Se mu pepawa Ghana for say mo de kana Agyapong ba yebeto amamo. Mo sa kwakwam fie 9 fie nwotwe biem. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Mama yentie nia efomfo ka. Mama yentie nia Ghana fo ka. Asori dan ya muwamu, wo mu kasai. E ka utwi. Asori dan ya muwamu, wo mu kura wo ma batuo no, e kire so wo mu kasai. E bi so wo mu kae no, mo antie. I was saying, Montia, Mobajimu Jajireje, any Aji Jajireje. Oh, campaign, Abayet de Papa. Campaign ya yekoye enya tem didie ye pekuru but the kuru so ntire se abakosem wo ho a ye nkamu nokura emma nipa hu eno de ye beka yes eno de ye beka enti bunya botre na munya awrehwem se achia na mui ye sua de afrim se wo hwe mahama appointment ya wa ye yi a da bia na me kam se mo hwe party fuo mo hwe party fuo se hwe party fuo a enkanya ni se wo opposition so mo your mistake na mo nsua bia bia free opposition ya ye wom na wo hwe appointment mahama ye bia ma ni party fuo a menua member party fuo ye betena opposition a che e mesram obi a owo party no ho do obi a o sacrifice my party o ha wo si wo sa akofa nipa foforo biem o mu kwa no o mpanfo na ka o si e besi usu a dia shawma ya man sefuo e kurafa wa continue opposition ya fedo ase fakura ne bra me hwe ne ma what be pay me do ba se nya mi shop
esan se ekutia enim nira enti nano si ya pe e na Afia Schwar se mini Ghana nenso de bekoso ho bia no abefo tintafidi enti mete ebuja reply no me say amo wa she
ye introduce D-Levy Ghana ni bi e cassette but because Kennedy ko cassette ni sika wo NDC for ho ne nsanka ya introduce D-Levy Ghana ni bia sorry e cassette Kennedy Agyapong say ne doctor am friend en kanchira ntia no de wonim what say Kennedy cassette D-Levy emom MPP for shemrasem obi anye campaign Kennedy ejai D-Levy na to ho company kan sema enya no kore e de to Bawumia so because medical catcher mo say Kennedy Agyapong na agenda no eye ba ko pe to set confusion in the NPP so that they will pay him only one agenda and only one agenda and only one. They are paying him to distract people. Let the other say one distracting. Yes, said you're gonna need be at your D-Levy, and I'm no can say, I'd rather force one more demonstration. Kennedy is one say. Na Kennedy in summer or Kayani in Ano, the refi back. But once again, Kennedy will on one the catcher say, now we'll brain tumor. And to brain tumor, so I've been in be so. Once the car engine, ye be so near Katasua, and yet do what they say. Sana generator, I generate a car engine. Say ye near be so. Ye be so say, now ye boasu be a man, and from our firm, and yet the same be overhaul and then your manama baby, and yet the same. Because answer, sir, and can walk as a professor do what he call Bawumia. Now was what castle so. Bawumia Mimi Kennedy to me be can omo my lose election. Now we yi no ho afiri. Wow, I am. You should have a mental problem for you not to be able to process information as it's supposed to be processed. When you in America, and some Kennedy and Yama Kennedy at the
Obekaya ebra NDC for ede D levy ebae be catch us Dr. Bawumia Emma comments bi ewo ho na sa comment no e na yae ofa Kwaku Annan of CTV ede nsem bi ebetu dwa efa ho
Bawumia Kwaku sit dam the Pwalugu dam with Dimu saying $12 million obi anka hwe nkyere no Pwalugu dam na amba. Meanwhile the Pwalugu dam must serve as a multi-purpose dam on one chrome wale with the Ghana, bro. Today, my goodness, Bawumia Wokasa, you better shut up, eh? Bawumia, you got that nerve. You got the F100, that prowess. Woo, Bekasa. Now, let me tell the MPP for MPP, and you want to say Bekasa fast attacks. Shut up. Shut up. And you want to say Mukasa, leave that to we Ghanaians. My young Kasa, yeah, penny people Makasa and this if I am MPP for. Shut your mouth. Now come on into him. You are too dirty enough. And now we are chrome for, we are with for a recaf. Now we trim more day, a sum ashamoma, bonnet and ashamoma, munyenipa. Sansikanwam, a year Osla, Osla, John Mahama creative answer walk on, and Musika way, Mumma country Ghana for, and this for tell Ghanaians, MPP for says is Canina. Won't be the Musicana. Just a what do we see? Sika dear, and made dear man so crazy, Mutiminium. And what do you do with our money? What do you do with our money?
I was in some way you and some way and I'm a Afia Schwar asa see a ya of a Kwaku Annan eso or sit my real boss and honorable Kennedy Crame no aye now Kwaku Annan. I was
you got the F100 that's pro. Woo, Bekasa. Now let me tell the MPP for MPP and you want to say Bekasa fast attacks room. Shut up. Bawumia Kwaku sit down. The Pwalugu dam with Dimu say $12 million. Obiankare.
Ghana for moon screen kwadu we na monkoye Pwalugu dam enye Bawumia na ye. Me enya me nsa ba ko me de me nsa bienu bi ti ni chest. Kwaku Annan o pese wo ye wo se wo ye nsantro ba Kwaku Annan wo ye nsantro ni. Kwaku Annan wo ye Kennedy Agyapong boy no do ujini. And because all we do with idiots is to use and dump them. You were use and dump. Me pacho Pwalugu dam a public document. Someone call searching. Aya Dr. Akoto and aya Pwalugu dam. Dr. Akoto, former Greek minister. And aya Pwalugu dam. Boy, you see Pwalugu dam. Omo budget no na 14 million oboa. Pwalugu dam was constructed by that Greek ministry. May they sure say Bawumia adwuma wa Greek ministry. Sikano na 12 million, I think 12 million cedis. 12 million no, and this is for ba ye tie. Mom obi amfre bia na for. And this is for do mahama ba power. Omo fra bia na for busa bia na for say. Omo invited Dr. Akoto over some 1 million bia now I am giving you security information right now. Don't open your mouth to clear all doubts because Kwaku Annan Ghana yen na nim se wajini. Pwalugu dam aya Dr. Akoto a Greek ministry for a projects. And this by BNI invited Dr. Akoto over 1 million be a omontiasie. The reason why woke ordinary Ghanaian wanting and they say or quiet no church 1 million actually woman assembly. I don't think sir Mamudu Bawumia or yeah Duma wa Greek ministry. Buddies. Most importantly, they are not business partners. And say and our Greek ministry project contracts. Now you ufumpu say kwasia eto atwi no Ujimi said ye do ye go jemo. Kwasi dem me wan na boy hwawanim. Diabetes na jeja wanim sa no ko pedro no ho. Hey. Wo bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di bi ma ho. Wo bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di mo bi ma. Woni ne wo sen kwasiafo na. Omo atia wa magimi amfiri wani no. Wo kwasia ba kwa gym no. Wo ba kwa gym na wo wuru no. Wo bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di bi ma ho. Makacho, Mr. Today I'm in a good mood. What's like Kennedy Agyapong TV station? A blackmailing a software organ in Nara. Emma Ghana software in Nara. Ebe time NPP. What the Baba Bawumia so? What's your what's it? Wabusiam de wako school no. Once so when you read, you don't understand. When you read documents, you don't understand. Because if you can read to understand her, oh my Baba will be able to palu down. Tear them make a channel. What do I know? Tear them make a channel. Jimmy Abro sono. Tear them make a channel. One no ma peteshi. Aduano. When him sa kwasia wate. We are kwasia na we sa kwasia. Onyamia how. And when I'm a when you Kwaku Annan. You are not just stupid, you also look stupid. It is so sad. You are not just stupid, you also look stupid. Oh, we are not wash a purple shirt, a yellow watch. Now with the Jimmy no, quite mame wa. Wokwasi, I want to catch us say a purple shirt, and the yellow watch. And then John Mahama no free gonja no, one also about yellow watch. John Mahama kwa free gonja. Why teni bano? One saw boy yellow watch. What Jimmy Wunya Santinia than for home? Wunya Santinia than for home. A poor power for them Kurumo. One saw boy yellow watch.
It's back to Honorable Kennedy, a compare con Agyapong someone. Na Afia Schwar kase NBC 4 abone pa na fine kosi ha no. Se ukopiem e movement TV so a enkomodia bi akoso. Wontumi boys led by eye Koka e bin sembi abetu dwa chese any Afia Schwar ensem na all can. In fact, there is something in common.
Kennedy is working against MPP. Enemy facts. Koshe anytime biya NDC beye ye bibino no abedane distraction. Enra one video na epi na boss akwa ye biasia or kasam. There is a clear we say mo bi anya den mo bi an campaign and oye the same person tia sa letter no so buy time of visit Kumasi no mukura banner yatro Ken 2028. I think elections in a fair internal elections yebeko obi abenu but usha normal Ken Ayenu is always to protect the NDC more than the MPP. One, she e-levy in sensemni normal akosono. Ken abua ma NDC enya diversion. Ama there is internal cohesion. Yeku ami ye jaima abainu de so oye no oye. Why this? Mika de bia say ubeti big men enemetia we school fees.
So if you think a distraction, don't follow the distraction. So we have to discuss the tax and let Ghanaians know what's happening.
MPP for Adina Basu say, forgetting that distraction and remain focused and prepare for the demonstration on the hardship na ebanos. Udo MPP me can be say, Usha Brian, Usha Kennedy, party abuaum. But me can be say me person me the young among me 10 people they have invested in Yebeka said they are their young self in Tufa Brainer ni young self oye mebunu Ofa Kennedy me person me then Yebeka said you have invested in society. But when you nemo girlfriends nemo now for benefited in the party me da we who say Brian and our Kennedy Baby demonstration. ana bie na ye kwa akofa na obi kwa akofa
ba koka ukasa dia
me pese make a point se ubeba be ka kire mebunu se ye didi agya omo na you are the ma the power unsada bo kese mu no they are not being fair to the party.
You see, I'm saying this because Honorable Brian Champon, I don't think waka bibi and our bibi are the party leading back into disrepute.
Yeah,
I've not seen him done in fact, and yeah, Nekrana for a very long time. Brian, I politician. I've not seen Brian Champon say, "Oh, ye bibi," to drag MPP party in the mud. So look, maybe to once they make say send this for ya na enya when the nim na catch and say NDC for munya insimu and cancer politicians. And nipa boni 17 year to din Brian Champon enye bibia to drag the party's name into disrepute. I will plead with you, say take him out. No,
your platforms. Yeah. Say utia obi school fees. And now boa obi ne ebeye say o de be kai na ni yeso ye be kai how the party helped you. That is where I'm coming from. They are on platforms as screenshotter ye roasting Crawford say because they are not supporting obi candidature because waboa oni pakro ni school anything American say no but say there can a distraction to our party. She say baby aye gina I see a facing off NDC with the new E-levy now, E-levy go, E-levy come. And the pain that E-levy is going to happen. The Ekosu, the oil marketing companies, I see a focus on. Why do you go for a funeral and go that tangent to make the government have a leeway of doing things? Question on social media, your WhatsApp groups. Why? Young train, let me tell you. Omwa party any delegates ebe vote afano ombeyu in fact as you go through process near certain strategies changing systems more of re-strategizing. A lot of people might even move out of the delegates ebia ye be ka ho ye nhwe sa process no ye then the process to elect will come. Ye finding ways to unite our base and stop this attack. Say baby amity, nobody can tell me say Felix no man oyen saw the Wontumi or the Brian Ken had a platform could to me aka catch ne bani say unyai or say oyen ne special operations and they be American side. When they say special, it means you take direct instructions from the person who gives you. And he say ne boss namsa way no so namsa way. Nobody can tell me say a coincidence and a well orchestrated plan. And ye focusing on building our party and working to ensure that the NDs who has got nothing to offer no omobeye jumano.
Ebusuati Afia Schwar esese wo Dr. Bawumia din na wa mo ne kwampa so anasa asem na wo de ka no etia no nko ade a wo beti sounds e wo wasom feel free na kire wadwen e wo comment section no bia wo de say wo be share amawumia bi nsa etumi aka aha eye AJ gossips me dey e de AJ meda wase na amawumo ene hwe be se wo subscribe ya wo de say wo be subscribe no wa bo adoma ne so se be ya drop video na wo nsa be ka no hu de ekoso o mayimu ene amanfo from eso Magraheb.